I am a person who truly enjoys helping people. Helping people reach their real estate goals is very natural and exciting for me. I believe that's why I find my real estate career so rewarding. I get to see dreams come true every single day, and every day I learn something new, and I'm still loving it. When I first meet with a buyer or seller, I still get excited because this is someone inviting me into their lives. I look forward to them sharing their dreams and their hopes, their ideas for what they might find in their dreams as far as real estate goes. After all, buying real estate is one of the most important decisions they're going to make in their life. I am that person that will be honest, professional, and on their team during the entire process. I think this is more important than all of my experience, licenses, or recognitions, because without honesty and professionalism, nothing else really matters. I must tell you, the icing on this real estate cake is that I get to make new friends every day. My name is BJ Bourne, and I would love to help you find your spot.